Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to open Excel document with shape mode. Let's get started. At first, open your computer, then press Windows plus R. Now you can see here the open option in Run. Now I am write Excel /save. Then click browse option, then choose your Excel file. Now I am select the all file and click choose the Excel file, then click open, then click OK. Then wait some moment to opening the file. Now you can see we make the file in shape mode easily, otherwise you only open the Excel using this run option. Write Excel again and click the save option, then click OK. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.